How to restore a backup in DirectAdmin. We assume you have already logged into your DirectAdmin account. Now go to the Advanced Features section, and click the Create Restore Backups icon. Click Restore Backup. Go and select the backup you wish to restore. You can leave all the restore options checked and include all the portions of the backup. You can also select the specific portion of the backup to restore. For instance, let's restore FTP settings only. When ready, click Restore. It may take some time to restore the backup, depending on the size of the backup file. It sends a message on the completion of restoration work. Let's view the message. Go to the main page, and scroll down to the Support and Help section. Open Support Center and look for the message. Click to open the message. The selected backup has been restored successfully. Thank you for watching.